Hey everybody, Replenishment Tech here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Roomba i7 Plus. Now there is an i7 model without the Plus, and basically the Plus just means that it has the automatic disposal unit, which is shown right over here. It's kind of the docking station, and then it also will suck out the Roomba when it comes back to it automatically, so you don't have to go and empty the Roomba after each cleaning. It sucks it out by the automatic disposal system. So anyways, I'm going to do the unboxing now and show you exactly what's in the box. Alright, so it appears to be packaged really nice. There's the Roomba unit itself. Sorry, get my handy pocket knife. Probably should just keep that out because there's little tabs everywhere that need to be open. But there's the Roomba. And another box here we have, this is one of the dust bags that goes in the disposal unit. Also extra cleaning brush, a replacement cleaning brush. You've got these kind of like little virtual walls or virtual spots that you can set up to make your Roomba avoid certain areas, or have like a little virtual wall in your room so it doesn't cross over the line. Or if you have a pet dish, you can set it near the pet dish, and there's a switch on here where you can switch it to be like a circle around your pet dish so that it won't bump into it and knock it over. It also comes with an extra air filter, obviously charging cables, and batteries for the little unit there. So, all right, there's that. The next thing I want to show you is the disposal unit and the charging station. Alright, so there you go. That is the charging station. You can see it runs up on here automatically, charges, and when it comes over top of this pot right here, it automatically sucks it out into this unit up here. This is almost like a built-in vacuum. That's exactly what it is, really. And then inside here is a filtered bag so you don't put any allergens or anything back into your atmosphere when it sucks it out of the Roomba. The Roomba has a little filter in there as well. But, so, as you can see, it comes with an extra bag for in here, and that appears to be pretty much what's in there. I know there's a manual. I'm sure it's underneath the Roomba here. Yeah, there it is. So here is, inside this box, pull this out, you've got your getting started guide, you've got your manuals, in what appears to be multiple languages, and quick start guides, things like that. So there you go, guys. That is what is in the i7 Plus Roomba kit. I'm going to put a link to it, an Amazon link, so you can check out the prices for these. Amazon is usually fairly competitive with all the other big box sellers out there. So if you click on that link, you can check out the pricing. And it also helps this channel out a little bit. So I appreciate it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to make another video on setting this up, maybe trying to run it and do a few tests with it and show you those as well. So anyway, stay tuned for those. Please like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. I got quite a few out there now. So thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.